Do you think if I just leave it like this, they'll maybe like give me discount if I go down to the grocery? Like,
I think they will ask you not to please vacate the shop.
do you think I'll have to go there in like my socks? Maybe like smear some poo on myself. Then I can get like free Roshis. Nike. What's that? I just put essential oils on my face. Go away. Come.
It's sort of weird long hair. It feels like 2 hairs.
Welcome back. So this one is a proper pig out from East London. Not East London like Bishu, as you may recall, having come from the Eastern Cape, from the road past Nanacha farm stall that we so fondly remember. No, this is East London, like I'll f***ing shank you, mate.
How
Is that
do
East
you
London?
know that?
What? How do I know that that's
How
what they do
do
there?
you-
The whole London is the whole of London is dangerous. There's not like one place.
I should have brought you a knife.
Smells really nice. Smells very... I don't know, what does that smell? Smell there? Tell me.
No, but now my hands smell like banana oil.
Oh, it smells like banana essential oils, you see. Grapes.
If you've ever had like a grape relish, it smells like that.
So this is Eat 17's Bacon Chili Jam. Is it a jam, a spread, or a relish? When it tastes this good, who cares? Jam it on some crusty bread or cheese. Spread it on your sami. No, that says sani. That literally says S-A-R-N-I. Guys, they want you to spread this on your f***ing car.
On your bucky.
Or relish it in a burger. It's proper tasty, hot or cold. Check out our website for more recipe ideas. It's got a nice, it's, you know what, it's got a very like, I know this isn't going to sound appetizing, but it's got a very like anchovette consistency. Like it very much does look like a relish. So let's just, so it's jammy.
Chunky.
Yeah, it's chunky.
In my head, I hoped it would taste like,
Is that about a teaspoon?
yeah, like the bacon jam from the Hudson's Burgers.
Well, we'll see now. We will see now.
I can smell that it won't taste like that.
Okay. I think we know that this one's not going to be a hot one, hey? It's very sweet. And to be dead honest with you, I can't identify the bacon and the chili in this. Okay, so the ingredients are cooked onion, virgin olive oil, cooked bacon, pork belly, pork back, salt, smoke flavoring, antioxidants, sodium ascorbate, 218 grams of pork, something, apple juice, dark muscovado sugar, balsamic vinegar, lemon juice, sunflower oil, chili powder, 2%.
No.
Bourbon, maple syrup, salt, garlic, treacle, black pepper, red chili, 0.2%. Rosemary, thyme, coffee. Produced in a factory which handles celery, eggs, fish, gluten, milk, nuts, mustard, sesame seeds, soya, sulfates, and shellfish, as well as fucking jokes, apparently. As a preserve and a relish, if you have like a snack platter with cheese and with crackers and that kind of thing, if you have stuff that doesn't have a very strong flavor but definitely needs something to complement it, this is what you want. If I had like maybe like a red wine, I'd probably give this one like 3 toms.